Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Welcome to Science Lesson Grade 6. In this video, we are learning exercise chapter 6, sound and its properties. Are you ready to start? Let's recite Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Part 1. Production of sound. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The vibration of an object produces sound that travels in a wave pattern. B. The pinna collects and transfers the sound waves to reach the eardrum through the ear canal. C. The eardrum vibrates when the sound waves hit it. D. The ossicles amplify the vibration and transfer them to the oval window. E. The oval window transfers the vibration from the ossicles to the cochlea. F. The cochlea detects the vibration and converts them to hearing signals. G. The auditory nerve carries the signals to the brain. Part 2. How sound travels. The diagram below shows a tuning fork hitting a rubber bung. A. Why can't sound be heard when the tuning fork is placed near the ear? It is because the tuning fork vibrates after hitting the rubber bung. B. What will happen if the tuning fork is placed in a glass of water immediately after it hits the rubber bung? The water ripples. C. Explain your answer in 2B. This is because the sound travels through the water. Part 3. The properties of sound, and Part 4. Caring for better hearing health. The diagram shows a plastic ruler being pressed down at the edge of a table. A. What is pitch? Pitch is how low or high a sound is. B. What should we do to produce high-pitched sound from the ruler? Shorten the free end of the ruler so that the ruler vibrates more quickly and the vibration have a high frequency. The diagram shows a man using a jackhammer at a construction site. What sound does the activity above produce? And the answer is noise. What is the unit for measuring the loudness of sounds? Decibels. What is the effect of noise? Damages our ears. How do we protect our ears from loud noise? Wear earplugs. Objective questions. Choose the best answer. 1. Which of the following parts of the ear functions to amplify the vibration that reaches the eardrum? The answer is C. Ossicles. 2. Which of the following parts of the ear changes sound energy into kinetic energy? The answer is A. Eardrum. 3. Which of the following statements is true about sound? And the answer is A. Sound is a form of energy produced by the vibration of objects. Number 4. The diagram below shows a Native American putting his ear to the ground. Why does he do that? The answer is C. He is listening to the sound of distant horses. Number 5. What would happen if the string on a guitar is tightened? The answer is D. It will produce a low frequency sound. Number 6. The diagram below shows 4 test tubes filled with different amounts of water. Which test tube will produce a high-pitched sound when it is blown at the mouth? And the answer is D. Number 7. Which of the following materials absorb sounds better? The answer is D. Below. Number 8. Which property of sound helps bats to detect obstacles when they fly in the dark? The answer is B. The reflection of sound. Number 9. Which of the following items produces noise? And the answer is B. Jet engine. Number 10. Which of the following habits are good for hearing health? And the answer is 1, 2, and 4. 1. Use earplugs when there is loud noise. 2. Clean our ears regularly. 4. Avoid going to noisy places. Subjective questions. Answer all the questions below. The diagram below shows the structure of the ear. Name X and Y. X is eardrum. Y is cochlea. What is the function of X and Y? The function of X is the eardrum vibrates when the sound waves reach it. The functions of Y is the cochlea converts the vibrations to hearing signals. What will happen if structure X gets ruptured? It will cause hearing loss. How do we protect structure X from getting ruptured? The answer is use earplugs in noisy areas. The diagram below shows pupil A tapping at the end of a table. How can the sound be heard by pupil B? And the answer is the tapping sound vibrates and travels through the table surface to reach the eardrum of pupil B. Arrange the speed of sound through the three different media in descending order: solid and then water and then gas. The diagram below shows Andy bending a ruler marked at 15 centimeters downwards and then releasing it. He repeats the activity using the same ruler marked at 3 centimeters. Would the ruler produce a high or low frequency and pitch in the activity? Length of ruler 15 centimeters. The frequency is low and the pitch is low. Length of ruler 3 centimeters. The frequency is high and the pitch is high. What is the relationship between the length of the vibrating ruler and the frequency and pitch of the sounds produced? If the vibrating end of the ruler is longer, it vibrates slowly and produces low frequency and low pitched sounds and vice versa. What is the unit for measuring frequency? And the answer is hertz. The diagram below shows a ship using a sonar system to locate underwater objects. Explain how the sonar system works. The ship transmits sound through water. The sound is reflected by the objects underwater and returns to the ship. The distance and time taken to return is calculated by computers. Alhamdulillah, that's all for now. See you in my next lesson. Don't forget, if the video is helpful, click like and give good comments. And don't forget, share my video to the people or friends who need exercise chapter 6, sound and its properties. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.